Alright, so if you're using AI voiceovers but want them to sound more fun, more unique, or even completely different characters, yeah, you can upgrade them with voice changers. By combining Dola AI with free voice changer tools, you can create next-level content for social media in 2026. First, create your voiceover in Dola AI by typing your script and generating the audio. Now download this file to your device. Next, open a free voice changer tool like VoiceMod or similar software. Upload your Dola AI voice file into the voice changer. Now choose a voice effect like robotic, deep, cartoon, or funny styles. Apply the effect and let the tool transform your voice. Listen to the preview and adjust if needed. Once you're satisfied, download the final transformed audio. Finally, import it into your video editor and sync it with your visuals. So yeah, that's how to combine Dola AI with free voice changers in 2026. AI creates the voice, and voice changers make it unique.